Me there one Clarendon, me there with a brethren, a Rasta brethren, man. We are used up the miracle fire rub, man, named Christopher. And boy, him have to tell you what go on, you know, brother, cause this man I have some hernia and other pain. And it's good for meet you, you know, Christopher and brethren. It was a pleasure. I meet you and know where the miracle fire rub, aka painkiller, do for you. Tell the people exactly what go on for me, brother.
Well, brethren and sisters out there and around the atmosphere, you see, this miracle fire rub is a great medicine. Any pain, any which part you get any bump or anyway, and you feel like it give you any problem, any scratch, you can rub this on it. Miracle fire rub. I and I have a hernia which pay me every night. And I get introduced to this fire, miracle fire rub, and I rub it on it. And it helped me 100%. It was so great. But at the amount where I have, it cannot get one, so I have to order some more, you know. So it's great, you know. So I entitle this to the world and to the whole atmosphere. If I can get a bottle of this miracle fire rub, please reach out for it and get it for any pain, any side that you will feel like that hurt you. This thing here will help you to a max, because it help I to the max. Yes, I. And I give thanks for know the I who I rate this thing for I and I, that I can heal myself with this miracle fire rub. So people out there in the atmosphere and in the world, remember what I say, you know, this bottle miracle fire rub, yeah, them forget forward one of them. Each and every one of them who can get one bottle of this fire rub, yeah, get one and put it in the place. Any pain, when you feel, any side that you know which part, yeah, you feel the pain. Yeah, you can get one. Bless up the island.
Rastafari. Blessings, I
am.
and give thanks.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Rastafari.
Yes, sir.